Hello everyone, this is my review of the Cheetos mac and cheese cheesy jalapeno. This is a microwavable cup. When you open it up, you have to remove the cheese out of there. And before you put the water in, you put the water into a fill line. Just like this, make sure you don't overfill it or it will spill out. Then you stick it in the microwave. After you microwave, just add your cheese from your cheese pack and then you mix it in. You can add some more stuff into the mix. I normally put in some like meat, some beef jerky or some sausage or something like that. And after you mix it all in, it's nice and creamy like this and it tastes very good. It's a pretty good snack and highly recommend this. I hope this review helps.